What's up, guys? Welcome back to the FishHooked YouTube channel. We're doing some trout fishing today. We got Pawpaw with us. It's kind of a family tradition for us.
Our Father's Day fishing weekend trip.
Yeah, so got some nice crystal clear water. Hopefully we can get on some trout today, so y'all stay tuned.
Y'all hang with us.
Daddy, what you got? Everything eat a worm on it. Do what?
Y'all can't say I got skunk, can you?
That's right. Daddy got the first fish. The old bluegill. Throw them back.
Have fun, grow up, fun.
Man, I didn't even know that was in there, did you?
Huh?
I didn't even know that was in there.
I didn't either.
That makes me want to throw some of my other stuff.
Well, it's like this. I was hiking on it. I'm having my grab.
Got him, boy.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. About time. Get up there. Get up there, boy. There's one.
Where's he out over there?
He's right there in that hole.
That is a nice one right
There he is, folks. The old brown trout. Not bad for the first one. Check him out, Daddy. Look at the brown. For the first one, it's not bad, is it? Oh, no, don't you do it.
Too late to grab on this.
Don't you do it. What did I do with them stringers I bought in there? Oh.
Close or far?
It was actually really close.
Saturday and drive back. Yeah. Fish all day.
Oh, got him. Got him. No, that's a... Is it? Oh, yeah. Cool. No, that's a huge sucker fish, dude.
Look at this hornhead sucker fish.
That's the biggest one I ever caught.
Maybe that's what I saw, dude.
Probably.
That's the biggest hornhead sucker fish.
Golly.
Check this dude out.
Dude, that's so weird. It's like state record hornfish.
It might be close. Man, I don't know. That is huge, man. Look at this guy.
You got your horny head.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen.
I almost feel like I definitely have to release this. Because it's like, wow. Get out of here, dude. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got a trout. Let's go. I got a trout. Nice. Rainbow. Nice. Keeper size? Yeah. Sweet. Check him out, guys. Get one of these stringers out. Yeah. What was that?
Are you letting it sit still?
Yeah. I put more split shot on it and just let it sit out there. Yeah. Caught him on a worm. There you go.
Get him up, Daddy. Get him up. Daddy got one. Daddy got one.
Nice. See, me and Papa got on the pattern. I told Papa, he said, "How'd you catch that one?" I said, "Put a bunch of split shot and let it sit out there," and that's what he did.
Let it sit. Let it soak.
Got him. Got him. Come here, boy. Finally hit that corner like he's supposed to. Yeah, corner. Golly. Right in the roof of his mouth. That's where we want it. Alright guys, second trout for me on the day. Let's get him on the stringer. Oh.
Got him. Got him, folks, right there. That was quick and easy. Quick and easy. Oh my Lord. That was quick and easy, guys. Hey, Bob. I don't want to miss this spot. We got us a spot. I'm trying to keep it. Look at that, guys. Oh, shit. Look at that. No, no. You know what? This is a brook, I think, a brook trout. Watch my rod right here. I think this is a brook trout, Daddy. So yeah.
Yeah.
It's a brook.
I think it is. Take it here.
Right down there. Yeah. Right down there. All right. Daddy got one. I got him. I got him. Hold on, I got him. You better get over here, boy. You better get over here. You better get over. Stop. Flat, flat, flat. You're done. You're done. Flat.
Got the hook for you.
Yeah. You need it? There he is, guys. Daddy caught him a rainbow. Pretty little rainbow. Alright, he's done.
Down.
I don't know where the hook went. It went somewhere. But I did. Covered up with 2 pieces of corn. Come on, get it. Come on, get it. Got him. Get out of there. Ooh. I've been trying to catch this fish. Man. Get out of there. Nope. Quit. Nope. You messed up, buddy. You messed up. There he is, guys. There he is right there, the old rainbow trout. Finally got him out of that hole. Man, he was a pain. He bit one too many times. Finally got him.
That's the thing though, I'm covering the tip of the hook with the corn.
Yeah.
So you gotta set it through the corn.
He got me, he got me, he got me.
Yeah, dude.
Get out of there, boy. Woo. There he is again, folks. Just like that. Just like that. He hit the worm. My beautiful, guys. Check this out in the sun. Beautiful brook trout. Oh my gosh. There he goes again. They're nice today, guys, in the sun. They're beautiful colors on them. There's the old stringer.
Oh my gosh. Bro, he hit that on top. Bro, I'm gonna get one of them there crickets.
What are you thinking?
Yeah. Got him. Got him. I just pulled him straight out. Yeah, just sitting there with the worm, boys. Woo. That's pretty cool. Put it over in front of them guys. I figure they hadn't seen it yet.
Huh? Check them out, guys. Got my rainbow.
Should I keep him? Yeah. Nice little rainbow, guys. Let's go put him on the stringer. Got him. That's a good one. Yeah. That's the one I've been trying to get the whole time. Whew, that's my best one. No. Come here, boy. Oh. Ah. Yeah. Golly. That's that one that was sitting up under that bush stuff. Check that one out, guys. It's my best one of the day for sure. Rainbow trout. Get him on the stringer before he gets away again. That's what I'm after. Need two more. Yeah.
Oh, he took off. All right, ladies and gentlemen. You rolling?
Oh
Here
yeah.
we go. Number 7.
Number 7. That's the limit. I got 3 more to go. Pawpaw's got 5 more.
rainbow. Pretty rainbow. We're gonna go ahead and keep them. Wrap it up.
Nice.
He hit the Georgia limit. Number 7.
Rainbow trout.
A lot of rainbows. A lot of rainbows today. Oh, you got it. Oh, Daddy, did he get? Oh, Daddy got it. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, get it, get it, get it, get it. He got one.
On the shrimp.
Yes, sir.
On the
The old shrimp.
Who knew?
Oh my goodness, you gotta be kidding me, man.
I never heard of that before.
Well, I guess the old guy was right. Got him on the old shrimp. Old rainbow.
Is this one his?
I think so, yeah.
Shrimp. That's all I'm thinking. Pulled it out of his mouth.
Oh man.
Oh,
He got it. He got it.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, no.
Oh. Get him, Bubba. Get him. Get him, Bubba. Get him. Oh, he got him. You got him. Oh. Look at him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Papa out here.
Daddy getting them on the shrimp. What do you think about that, Dad?
That's cool. Something I ain't never done before.
That's fun.
Make out wrong.
All right, guys. We wrapping up the day. Woo! We all got our stringers.
Got 18 of them today, guys.
18 out of 21. That's pretty good. Fish were kind of biting a little slow today, but we made it happen. So thanks for tuning in. No, we had a blast.
See y'all next time.